Hi Tree Tops children, it's teacher Miranda. So today we are going to make a yummy pizza. Okay, so firstly, what do? We wash our hands. So I'm gonna quickly go wash my hands and come back. Okay, I'm back. My hands are nice and clean. So the first thing what we're going to need to make the pizza is some self-raising flour, some plain yogurt, a 1 cup measuring cup and a 1/4 cup measuring cup, a rolling pin, and on this side we have all our toppings. Well, this is for the base of the pizza. Tomato sauce is for the base of the pizza. So you can use whatever toppings you like or have at home. Okay, so what I have here is cheese and cucumbers and tomatoes, gherkins, carrots, some shredded chicken, and some banana and blueberries as well, just to make it more interesting. Okay, so first of all, we need 1 cup of flour. So we're going to measure a cup of flour like this to make sure it's correct. Let's use a knife to even it out like that into our bowl. Next, we will need a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. So I'm going to just dip in here and just shake it about till I get a 1/4 cup of yogurt. Okay, let's use my knife to make it even so I measure it correctly. Like that. And then I'm going to put it into my flour. Like that. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to mix it up. So you're going to lightly mix it up. You can use a spoon as well or a fork, and you can lightly blend the yogurt into the flour. Okay. So is the flour and the yogurt the same color? I think it is, because now the yogurt is disappearing. So I'm going to use a spoon so I could better mix it up. And once you've got them all in like that, sometimes the yogurt might be just a little less, so you can just add more to just get the right type of dough. That. And then I'm going to use my hands. And I think the yogurt is a bit less. So I'm going to add a little more yogurt just to get it right. Okay, so I'm going to make it into a dough. Okay, so now I'm going to put it onto my surface to roll out the pastry. Whilst you're doing this, maybe your mom and dad can help you to switch the oven on to 180 degrees Celsius so the oven is nice and warm to bake the pizza. So I'm going to roll it out a bit. So you're going to just roll like this. Pause it. Okay, so you roll out your dough. If you have a little difficulty here, maybe mom and dad can help you. And then we're going to put it onto our pizza pan. Once it's on our pizza pan, you can just press it out to fit the whole of the pan, or you can just leave it and use it as is. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is put our tomato sauce. Okay, what color is this tomato sauce? It's a yummy red. So we're going to spread them all over. This helps to keep the base a bit moist. Okay. If you don't like too much of tomato sauce, then you can put just a little bit, Or if you like it lots, then you can add lots of tomatoes. Okay. Then we're going to add a little bit of cheese so it just makes it a little bit more yummier. Now comes the fun part. Now we're going to put our toppings on. So I'm going to make a face. I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to use my bananas here. And put my blueberries on top. And then I'm going to put some chicken. It's going to be, what do we find on top of our head? Our hair. So you remember the song? This is a circle, that's my head. And this is my hair on top of my head. Okay. And these are my eyes, which I see. And look, what can we use for ears? Let's put some tomato. And these are my ears on the side of my head. And what can we use for a nose? I'm going to use some gherkins. And this is my nose, which is in the center of my face. And this is, let's use some carrots, my mouth, with which I use to speak. And that's my amazing face. Okay, let's put a little bit more carrots. Alrighty. And then you can just add a bit more of the cheese. You can make some, what's here? My cheeks. So let's make cheesy cheeks on the side. And we can put some cheese to our hair and make it a bit more colorful. There you go. And now we're going to put it into the oven, or you got to ask mom and dad to help you put it in the oven. And it has to bake for 20 to 25 minutes, maybe more. And then we'll have our yummy, amazing pizza. So after 20 or 25 minutes, you take your pizza out of the oven and it should look like this. Okay, yum, yum, yum. Enjoy. Bye.